Kuringana na Commissioner Abdulrazil Farah, maafitha a ugitiri ni mageretie kuhurana na ikundi ici ede citire cirahuka.
If you remember, we had rated Naikuru as one of the areas to watch on the hotspot list, Naikuru County, specifically because of the presence of some criminal gangs that are in operation in this county. But the security arm of our country is dealing with them.
Farah ni orotete ati Naivasha ikoragwo ari gitumiro kia ngui thutha wa githurano o giothe kuria aikari mekoraga hatikaine ya thama no undu ucio ndukuheo kamweke githurano-ini giki.
There's no reason why we should be fighting. If Raila Odinga is elected, a Kenyan is elected. If William Ruto is elected, a Kenyan is elected. So there's no fight. There's no reason why we should fight.
Wilson Maju ni afitha wa gituo gia kurugamirira ithurano kuma bururi wa Europe akiuga ni makoretwo makirutithania wira hakuhi na commission ino guku akiuria a Kenya magerie oria mangihota gutabania ithurano cia thayo undu onao makuhunjio the yothe kumana na thayo uria ugukorwo kuo.
And we are expecting that there is no tension that would exist between brothers, sisters, tribes, religions, ethnicities, or whatever clusters you find yourself. And this is why we are here, because we believe this message is very important.
Munini wa County Commissioner ya Naivasha Mutu wa Kisilu akiuga gukuhe na iria ria Naivasha gutire na haho o yothe ya ngahiha mugaro na miaka igi ya ithurano kuria arimi a mahua mambagiriria gwithara o mbere ya githurano.
Juzi tumeongea na human resource wa I think one of the large flower companies. Tukamuuliza kama watu wameomba ruhusa kwenda nyumbani kupiga kura. Ametuambia kwamba hakuna wale ambao wameomba, kuonyesha kwamba hakuna mtu ako na haja ya kuondoka. So hivyo tunashukuru Mungu, na hata nyinyi wenyewe ambao mkitembea huu mji mtaona kwamba kuna a lot of calmness.
Wakiigwa kama huagunyana niguo ngururirie na nguthiririe tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigimaguru ngirunga cia kaunti ya Naikuru. Ritwa riakwa ni Sera wa Boi wa Mwagi.